Yeah.
Straighten.
Straighten is silly.
With the little.
I dare to eat this.
Why should I?
The caramel makes you laugh too much.
That's like
Is that a good thing or
that
bad
feels
thing?
like a bad nightmare. It's still on.
It's a good thing?
Oh, I did.
Medium?
Where did it go? She left?
No, she just walked outside. I think she's calling her mom. She can't call in here with all these geese and cats.
Oh, poor Carlos. Someone hurt Mariah's feelings.
Oh, Mariah. It's okay, Mariah.
Happy birthday. So you eat it?
No, this is another one.
Bye, guys.
You disgust me.
Here, do this. Push on my hands not really hard. Push
Do
up.
something evil on that.
I want to test
Almond.
it. Push. No. Slowly put pressure on.
Bye, kids.
Whoa.
The reason why I'm trying this is because before the bad shoulder comes do that. Okay. Let me try this way. Now it's hard to pull slowly. That one, yeah. Just, well, yeah.
Ah.
Who's the heart?
In the car, I'll be right there.
Person.
Your girlfriend?
You guys keep going back and forth.
You really like
The computer. I think it's full.
Who?
A person.
What's her name?